Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to add money to your Uber Pro card. Now, first, you need to go ahead and find the nearest retailer where you can load cash to your branch digital wallet. Now, first, this is what you do. Navigate to the wallet tab in the app. So you're gonna click on add funds. Okay, go to wallet, click on add funds, and here what I want you to do is tap on cash deposit. And then you basically just use this map to navigate to the nearest green dot location. So here, for example, there's this one, Dollar Tree, we have Speedway, right? These are options. Then once you've found your desired location, you want to work with the service provider directly to add cash to your account. Okay, so you hand the cash to the cashier and then ask them to add the cash directly to your activated Uber Pro card. And the merchant usually they may charge you fees, so usually up to $5.95 for deposit. And then as soon as it is done, you should see a notification, right? Like this one right here. Basically, the cash has been deposited into your account. It will tell you your new balance. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.